Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I already took this out of the original container, mainly because it got kind of dirty. So this came in like, one of those plastic mailers or something. So this is from Qluoshop. They have their own website, so I'll link that below. And so I got 3 diamond paintings. Let's just do the first one. Let's do the small one. So yeah, this is the first time I bought from Qluoshop, but I bought from them on AliExpress, but this was the first time I bought from their actual website. I actually really like their website. They have a they have their diamond paintings in like price sections, and what's it called? Their prices, I think, make sense based off of the size and what's it called? And they actually have a picture of the rendering too, so that's good. So here's the toolkit, very basic toolkit. So yeah, this is my first image I got. It's of this lantern. So yeah, it's never too early to start getting Christmas diamond paintings, right? What is this? It just looks like a small drill. So yeah, it's never too late to get Christmas diamond paintings. So yeah, I did like that they actually sold the, okay, so this does say it's a 35 by 45, but I knew they did say that it was a 30 by 40 on, like in the rendering, they did say it was a 30 by 40. But this is actually a little bit smaller. It looks like it's a 28.5 by, it's really ridged, by 38. So it is not a completely 30 by 40, it is 2 centimeters off, but I did like how they actually had like the bigger diamond painting. So, okay, wow, this only has 19 colors in there. Can you see it? There are DMC numbers. I mean, there's only 19 colors, so yeah, it looks like it's just normal keyboard symbols, except maybe that star right there. But yeah, I mean, the drill field, I think, looks really clear. So this is no light pad needed approved, because I don't use a light pad. So yeah, here's my first one. So I think this will be great for Christmas, and I'm hoping it'll turn out. With only 19 colors, which I'm surprised with only 19 colors, I hope it does turn out. But yeah, no, their website does have the rendering in there, so you could kind of look. So it looks like, yeah, the packaging does have the item number here, and it has the DMC, which I like, because a lot of times I only write down a DMC and not this first number, so it's hard sometimes to get up when it only has the first number. Okay, so here's the first one I got. Oh yeah, this one was $6.99. So it's another one. Okay, so this was the main reason I bought from this company, is that, okay, so where's the opening? They have diamond paintings that are supposed to be full crystal rhinestones. I've been getting really into the full crystal rhinestone diamond paintings. So, because there's just something different, and it's actually really fun to diamond paint the rhinestones, because they just have this really, man, the tape on the outside of this guy. They're just like really pretty. So this one is supposed to be a full crystal rhinestone. Let me roll this back up. So yeah, here it is. Full crystal rhinestone. Huh. It has a letter in there, so I wonder if it has just what's on the, not like the symbol, as opposed to the, number. So yeah, same basic toolkit. So yeah, here it is. It's this, let me pull you up a little bit. Is that enough? A little bit more. There you go. So this is a red truck with an American flag. I primarily got this because I wanted to get something, because I've been putting up diamond paintings based off of, I guess, holidays at my workplace, and I wanted to get something like patriotic for the 4th of July, which if you don't live in the US, that's American Independence Day. So I thought I should get something with a flag. So then I saw this, I was like, this looks really good for my patriotic one. So the main reason I got this was the rhinestones. So it does look like they're in rhinestones. And so yeah, maybe this, I did say that it's weird that it has, instead of like a number, it just has the symbol. So, which I think is actually probably better, because then if you don't kit up and you just go directly from these bags or something, you can just, you don't have to draw the symbol. But yeah, here is the code. It just looks like it's all numbers and all symbols. And what's nice is, look, there's actual DMC numbers here. So if you're like me and keep all your extra drills, this would be great, because now I could, like, I do like to bling up my round diamond paintings with leftover crystals, rhinestones. So this will actually help make figuring out which ones to use better. But yeah, let's look at the drill field. Let's see. I think it looks really, really clear. As a non-light pad user, yeah, I think it looks really good. Okay, so yeah, I'm actually really surprised how few colors are there in this one. So I won't know until I do it, but the rendering on this actually looks really good. So I'm hoping that will be helpful. And like I said, on the website, it does have a picture of the original picture and the rendering. So I'm hoping when you see the rendering, you're like, okay, that will work. So this one is $12.99. It's supposed to be a 40 by 50. That's what they said in the rendering on Qluo. And this looks like it is 40 over here. And it does look like it's 50. So this one, unlike the other one, which was like, what, 2 centimeters off, this one is 40 by 50. All right, so there's that one. I can't seem to buy small diamond paintings anymore for some reason. Like, I always mean to, because I like having the small ones for like breathers between these bigger ones. But for some reason, I keep just buying the bigger ones. Like, if it's available as a 40 by 50, I'll buy it as a 40 by 50. Okay, so next one is also another crystal rhinestone. It still has the very same basic toolkit. But yeah, it's this image. I think I've seen this image a lot of times. It's like a colorful succulent. Again, this one also has the DMC numbers, which is great, even though it's a crystal rhinestone, and it looks like it's just all very simple letters and numbers. So great for people like me who hate the symbols, because it's so hard to figure out symbols. Or at least for me, diamond painting symbols is really hard. Okay, so I thought, so this 8 kind of looks like a 5. I don't know if you could see, but it kind of does look like a 5, but the 5 is a completely different color, so that's not going to be a problem. Yeah, I think this one looks really clear also. Yeah, I think this one has 18 colors, and I kind of think if I'm going to do one of these first, I'm going to do this one first. Mainly, I kind of do want to try this company, because if their crystal rhinestones ends up being good, I'm going to just buy more, because I do really like these crystal rhinestone ones. So yeah, it looks like this one is, it does have the part number on it, DZ018, but it also, so that says 8. But in the back it says F. It looks like this one they had to write it in the K. So it doesn't have like the color number, but it has the symbol. So that's a little different in kitting up, but as long as they're all here, I'll be fine. And it does look like the black the black looks like it's normal drills. So yeah. 8. Is 8 black? No, it's 939. So the blue, the dark blue is normal drills. Huh. So I thought these rhinestone ones would only black was normal drills, but yeah, here it is. So yeah. So this one was also $12.99. Oh, did I measure this? I don't remember. I'll just measure it. I think I measured the other one, but I didn't do this one. So this one looks like it's 40 also by 50. So this one is the size that they said it would be, 40 by 50. Even though this says 47 by 57, it did show in the rendering that it was only going to be a 40 by 50. So yeah, here's that one. Here is the other one that I'm going to do for 4th of July. And here's my winter lantern, which I probably won't do till closer to winter. But all right, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.